Hi, I just want to show you a ultralight backpacking chair I made with some leftover fabric that uses trekking poles and a piece of closed-cell foam that I use for a sit pad. So the chair weighs 49 grams, under 2 ounces. Yeah, the sit pad, it's about 91 grams, 3.2 ounces. So the whole thing's under a quarter pound minus the poles. You can just use it as your sit pad. You can roll it up or store it flat. Then you pull it out and put the poles in this back flap like that. And sit down and relax. Here you can see the pockets for the poles. It's easy enough to reach behind you and adjust the poles if you need to. And you can slide down and it'll actually support your neck and your head. It works just fine without the pad. So if you already carry trekking poles, you could have a pretty comfortable chair for as little as 49 grams. There are a couple of commercial versions of this chair. One's the Mountainsmith sling back chair. It's selling me about $25 and weighs about 5 ounces. Looks like a nice comfy chair. The other one is a Lightsmith quick back ultralight chair. Weighs about a little over 2.5 ounces and $65, but it looks a little small. Overall, it looked easy to make, and I had some extra fabric laying around, so I made my own. I just used some leftover ripstop fabric that I had. It works well. If I was going to do it again, I'd probably use a little more durable and grippier fabric for the seat portion.